Welcome to Puppy Yoga. Your host tonight is Yoga Mistress Caroline and Yoga Mistress Jane. Okay, the first maneuver, you need to go out and shut the door.
And the second maneuver can open
The first maneuver we like to call Calm the Puppy Body. Calm the puppy body. Listen to the chimes and calm the puppy body. Calm the puppy body. And calm the puppy body. Okay, for the second maneuver, it's a little more calm. And we lay on your back and we calm the puppy body from the head to the neck, to the chest, to the belly and the thigh and the toe. Calm the puppy body. And Caroline, you can take the lead on this from the head to the neck, to the chest, to the tummy, to the thigh, to the leg, to the toe. Calm the puppy body. Calm the puppy body. Now we will do leg extensions. Relax the leg. Straighten the leg. Hold it. And relax the leg. Calm the puppy body. And straighten the leg. And relax the leg. Calm the puppy body. Calm the puppy body. And straighten the leg. And relax the leg. Calm the puppy body. We need to calm her down more. Calm the puppy body. Calm the puppy body. And straighten the leg. Are you relaxed? Do you feel refreshed? Okay, give her M&M. You feel relaxed, Molly, from our yoga? Now attack! Attack the M&M! Get it, Molly! Get it, Molly! The end.